back to my channel. It's your girl Fenty XO coming to you with another video. And today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. Today I'm going to be unboxing this big old package. I got myself some Fenty Pumas. These are the Creepers. I got 2 of them. So yeah, I'm just gonna unbox them right now. Ta-da! Here's the box, the first box. Yo, this is legit. Look at the Fenty on there. Let's take out the other one. Alright, so let's open this one. This one's the golden brown color of the cleats. So it comes with a little bag for your sneakers, so you don't even need the box. What? What is it? Suede? This suede? This is so bomb. And it has like adjustable straps that are like ribbons. They're like silky ribbon material. And you just close it like that. And voila. You got a bag for your shoes. Alright. To the sneakers. Alright, let's pick it up. Ta-da! Oh my god, this is huge. Oh no, what if this is not my size? I'm gonna be kind of sad if this isn't my size, but this is huge. I do have big feet, but these look ginormous, okay? These look ginormous. I got a size 9.5 in these bad boys. I'm usually a 10, so I went 1/2 size down. I probably should have went down to a 9, but I'm gonna try it out anyway. But aren't they beautiful? These are the brown color, like the tannish brown ones. These platforms are huge. And it has like the little Puma logo on the front. This is all suede, and it has like the little Puma stripe and a nice yellowish tan color, and then the rest of the sneaker is like a brown tan. And this is like brown. Feels like sturdy. It feels heavy, you know? Ah, I love it. It's so bomb. I'm gonna try this on for you guys, don't worry, at the end of the video. The second one, of course, is my favorite one because it's a color that I really, really like. Got your Fenty bag. Yes! Okay, these for some reason look smaller, but they are exact same size, but this one looks so much smaller. Maybe it's the black that's throwing my eyes off, I don't know. But I love the black one so much because I can definitely wear this with a lot of things, so many things. That's why I got it in black. And I got the brown one because I felt like the brown one was cute too. So yeah, but the black ones are definitely my favorite ones. I'm so glad my boyfriend's tall because then I don't have to worry about wearing this and then like being taller than him. Taller than him. But yeah, let's try these on. I don't know how I'm gonna put the camera to my feet, but yeah, I'll be right back. Aside from my soul, there goes a sight, now there goes a sight from my soul, there goes a sight from my soul. Alright, so all in all, I love these sneakers. These sneakers are the bomb. They're super comfortable, and like I don't feel like I'm taller, if that's weird. I don't feel like I'm any taller than I usually am. Like I was always afraid to get Creepers because I felt like they were like just like platform heels when you feel like the height difference, but these I don't feel taller. I don't feel any different. Thank you so much for tuning into another video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to hit that like button, that thumbs up if you liked what you saw. Also hit that subscribe button. It's either going to be on this side or this side. I'm not sure which side it's going to be on. Anyway, thank you so much for tuning into another video, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Mwah.